All right, Marge, my dog has had an impacted anal gland twice. She's on a raw food diet. Vet said if it continues to be a problem, I might consider having them removed. That is something. So Marge, yes, unfortunately, a lot of pets have anal gland issues. And I'm not sure if you watched Dr. Peter Tobias's talk today. If you haven't, rewatch it because he talks about chiropractic care. Now, here's the thing with anal glands. Anal glands are a symptom of a bigger problem. And a lot of times it comes down to either a food sensitivity, even if they're on a raw food diet. If we have leaky gut, your pet could be reacting to even these species appropriate foods. And so that's where NutriScan tests can be powerful. Diving into those fur tissue tests and looking at those can help identify maybe there's something off and it's affecting the way the nerves innervate the anal glands. Or, as food's passing through, those anal glands sit right there. And as stool passes through, there's going to be proteins in that. And if your pet's sensitive to certain types of proteins, so maybe they're sensitive to chicken, which is a common one, maybe they're sensitive to beef, those openings to the anal glands are tiny. Any degree of inflammation will close that off and they won't be able to express naturally. So I'm always looking for, okay, well, why? Why are they getting blocked up? For one, making sure we're not dealing with like an anal gland tumor. So if it's only one side, making sure we're ruling that out. I'm seeing more and more anal gland carcinomas, unfortunately. We're seeing, pets over 10 years of age, dogs over 10 years of age, 1 and 2 will develop cancer. So making sure we're ruling that out, rule out a food sensitivity. But also, here's the thing. Chiropractic is going to help, like chiropractic adjustments are going to help rebalance the nervous system. So what can happen is as our dogs are going about living their best lives, playing frisbee, running, twisting, turning, jumping off beds, jumping into cars, living their lives, right? They can tweak their backs, and that back is where all the nerves innervate into the gut and they innervate the anal glands. And I have patients where I'm like, start with chiropractic because a quick adjustment may actually alleviate that problem. So if you haven't been able to do a chiropractic treatment or you just didn't know, start with that. I also use a lot of acupuncture with my patients. That works on the nerves too, helps reduce inflammation. We can optimize the immune system with certain points. We get a better idea of like where deficiencies are, where imbalances are with Chinese medicine. And then also I use a lot of Chinese herbal medicine to help bring down inflammation and kind of regain some of that homeostasis. So I always say surgery is never reversible. However, there's a lot of different options that you can try first. And if that's not working, then okay, we can do surgery, remove the problem. However, I always say that root cause is still there. So if we didn't resolve the root cause, it could be still creating inflammation in the body, which is going to manifest as something different. So definitely check out those other things. Once again, I got a blog post on how to treat naturally anal gland problems. So check out thenaturalpetdoctor.com and head to our blog section.